in Kampala. We had a greater Kampala plan in the 60s. Today, Kampala is a slum. There is no town in Uganda that is not slum-looking. You know, I want to guarantee that you can travel from Kasese to Kampala on a fine train and read your newspaper like we did it before, because that can be provided. Those are what the youth of this country want. But the youth of this country will not get that from anybody. Trust me. They can't get it from NRA, because NRA has failed them in 40 years. In any case, they've actually sunk our trains, sunk our buses, sunk our schools, sunk our hospitals, sunk our schools' pitches, sunk our towns. The Uganda I want is one which is a renewed Uganda beyond the mess we have today. Average young Ugandan does not know that we need to know this thing called traffic. And then they will say traffic is progress. No. The traffic in Kampala is lack of planning. I am saying young Ugandans need to believe in better. That's my message. Young Ugandans must believe in better, and believe in better because better is possible.